My friends, today we are going to learn making suggestion. Making suggestion. I'm going to write some examples and I'll explain them one by one, stressing the way through which we can make suggestion. For instance, if we say, are you hungry? He said, his a friend, or do you say, yeah? How about some lunch? How about some lunch? Look, how about it is an item through which we can make suggestion. His friend is suggesting, do you see, for instance, a lunch. How do you think, what do you think about lunch? How about? This is so widely used suggestion item. How about? How about some lunch? How about some food? How about some coffee? How about some meat? How about some drink? And usually it is used for suggestion, do you see, to or for suggestion about having food or drinks. How about? This is number one. Let us have another example. For instance, let us call Michel. Let us call Michel and see if he knows how to fix it. Let us also, it is so widely used suggestion item. Let us, let us. So the first one is how about. How about? The second is let us. And look, here we have said call. This is the basic form of the verb. We cannot say let us called. No. Let us bring, let us brought, let us say. We cannot say let us said, and so on. So, number one, how about? Number two, let us. And the verb, do you see, after the suggestion item should be in the basic form. Let us have another example. Let us not spend all night let us not spend all night talking about my problem. About my problem. This is number three. Let us not. This is a negative suggestion. Let us not. And here this is spend, simple present tense. We cannot say spent. We cannot say spend. So let us not spend all the night. This is an item suggestion item. Let us not, or let us, or how about. So this is negative suggestion. This is a negative suggestion. Let us have another example. For instance, why don't you take some time out and rest? Some time out and rest. This is 4. This is 4. Why do not? Why do not? Also, this is another suggestion item. So, how about let us not, and why don't? Why don't? These are 4 items are used, or these 4 items are used for making suggestion, and it was why don't you take? We haven't said talk. We haven't said talk. So in this code you have learned 4 suggestion items. How about let us not, and why do not? Let us have little exercise about, for instance, if we have a sentence like this, for instance, correct the following. Why not talking about his problem? This sentence is wrong. Why? Look, let us spend. Why don't you take? And this is ing, so this is wrong. We should change the verb from ing verb state into the basic form, and the sentence becomes like this: why not talk about his problem? This is basic form, but this is ing verb. Also, we cannot say, if we say talked, also it is wrong. For instance, if we say correct the let us came early, this is wrong. We say let us come early. Do you see? This is wrong because this is the past form of come. This is wrong, but this is a basic form of the verb. 1, 2. This is wrong, and this is right. This is wrong, and this is right. This is right. See you happy and healthy. See you in the coming code. Goodbye.